Morning, guys. It is November 25th, 2024. I got a call from an older lady I worked for before. I think I was at this house last year. She got a RUD system over there that's way oversized for the little house that she's got. I mean, way oversized. And undersized return, and she had a problem with the fan, the exhaust fan, squirrel cage fan motor. I think I put another motor in there for her. Got her going last year. Well, she's calling me again. That's now she got no heat, but the fan's running. So that sounds like a high limit issue. The fan's running all the time, or we'll go figure it out. Might be a board. But I know it's really damp and dingy down there in the basement, like a real nasty basement, dirt floor, damp. Not the ideal place to have a furnace. But hey, you got to deal with what you got to work with. I mean, you got to work with what's there.
Either of the two.
When people call me for a no heat call, I gotta do the best I can with what I got to work with, you know? Not everything's ideal. These guys that think everything's perfect and ideal,
turn left at the traffic
they don't live in the real world.
Take the ramp on the right.
There's so many things that you come across, it's just really ridiculous. Anyway, we'll go. It said it's 52 in the house. She called me last night. I said I'll go by there in the morning. She said okay, so we said it would have been better coming in the morning anyway, so she probably had things going on, but it's 52 in the house, so a little nipply. She's probably got a flipping coat on her. A little nipply, Miss Molly. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. It's a Conquest. It's a RUD, basically. If I remember right, there was no power switch on this flipping thing or something. New thermostat, new blower motor, new run cap. Let's see what the hell's going on. Yeah, change the motor. I gotta get lights. Fucking, look at this shit. Fucking place is a disaster. Fucking disaster. Look at this old fucker. Little skinny bitch. Oh man, that's a skinny one. Motor was running, and then yeah, it looks like the igniter's bad. See the igniter? Look at that spot in it. That's a problem. So it's still running. There's fucking electrical on this thing. If I remember right, it was a problem with it. Didn't have no way of shutting the fucking thing off. Oh, switch. Doesn't even have a fucking switch on this bitch. Unbelievable. Fucking crazy. Fucking cobwebs from hell here, mama. Look at this shit. That looks like B-vent. Fucking cobwebs from hell. Why do you wear a hat? I can never figure it out. Alright, we gotta get another igniter for it. I should have one. This thing's fucking crusty bitch. It's a crusty bitch. Gotta love it. At least I know what the problem is just by looking at shit without even doing anything. Not my first rodeo. It's not my first rodeo, mama. That thing's gonna have to be all crusty. I'm gonna clean the flame sensor while I'm here and fucking thing is. Oh. I got these in the truck. Not a problem. See how it's got that spot on it? That's no good. That's a no-go right there. Can you see that? That's a no-go. Flipping cobwebs from hell. Miss Molly! Hey, Miss Molly! You're a cutie pie! What is it? Alright, I got my igniters up here somewhere. I gotta just... They're up in here somewhere. I just gotta find the right one, but I got a whole bunch of them. Shit up the yin yang here, mama. I like these Robert Shaw ones. That's the one I need, the 408. Now you could go with any kind and just put the cut the end off, but that's the end I need right there. But it comes with little adapters and you can modify it if you had to. But I like these Robert Shaw ones. They're really good. That's what I stock in the truck. I get another 408. I usually use a lot of these 408 ones. Good brand right there. See, it's a replacement for Ream. That's a Ream wannabe downstairs there. Ream Red wannabe. She's one crusty one. Give it the old sweep job. Well, I'm in here. Fucking things. Before I put the thing back together. Flame sensor in there and give it a little brush job. Give the old flame sensor a little flip and brush job. Even the fat chicks need a good brushing once in a while, right? Yeah. Get their hair done. Even fat chicks need a little loving. Alright, so I got this is the problem. Almost guarantee it. We'll take this apart and we'll put the other one on there. It goes down like that, see? You can see the little black thing. I almost guarantee that's the problem. I almost guarantee it. Got a new one here. Like this, right? Yeah, like that. It goes like that. Goes like that. This is the same as a rod of Ream. Pretty sure. That's gonna go in there like that, the way it was. We'll plug it back in and see if it fires without killing the fucking thing. You don't wanna break anything. I mean, it's very... Lady's got cats upstairs. I open the door and a flipping cat come running out. She says, I got kittens. She says, I got kittens upstairs. 6 months old. We'll tighten this up and we'll see if it runs. Fucking crazy. She's a crazy bitch, Mo. Oh, a crazy bitch. It's a crazy bitch. Will it run? I think it's gonna. Alright, so I'll plug it in, I'll turn it on, and I'll give it the old how you doing. Can you see? I'm gonna plug that little Firematic back in and see if it runs. Alright, there goes the inducer motor. Then it should glow. It should glow in a minute. If it's glowing, then it should fire. That's a smart valve. Houston, we have ignition. That was our problem. See that little mark there? That's our problem. Not rocket science. Conquest 80. This is a big ass flipping furnace, I'll tell you. For a little tiny house like this, it's way oversized. You should see what the story is with the filter. If there even is a filter in this fucking thing. Something about the filter was here on end or something. Looks like he must be cleaning it. Every so often he must be cleaning it. It's right in the bottom of the flipping thing, sucking this nasty air from the basement here. She is one skanky bitch. Alright, so new hot surface igniter, clean flame sensor and burners. Give the burners a quick how you doing on the top there. She is one nasty bitch. Nasty one.
Well, with that president we got, I don't know.
You don't like him?
I do, but then I don't, because I'm saying, what kind of state of mind is he in when people are trying to kill him and he's out there, you know? I would be scared to death, wouldn't you?
Of who? Trump?
Yeah.
I don't know.
He's out in a big crowd and somebody manages to shoot him.